My name is Claire Breen and I'm the Learning Curator at Visual in Carlow. So today was Cruinniú and we did a workshop all about the materials in our everyday lives. We had loads of shapes and objects and different materials, and we made large cyanotypes. The piece is in 5 large sections that are 4 meters by 3 meters of fabric. They're painted with cyanotype, a photosensitive emulsion. The children came and made drawings with objects on the emulsion, and they were exposed by the sun. Learning through play and making in the gallery is a really important part of the programs that we do, and we really try to make events where we're learning with and through the art and with the children. We learn a lot from children's interpretation of the artwork that they encounter in the gallery.
My name is Ella. And my name is Mia. Today we done cyanotype art and it was really fun. You get fabric, then you put random shapes all over the place so it doesn't change colour. You needed the sun to do this art.
I'm going to roll this out like this. Then we have to move everything over really quick. Go, 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 go. Woo, that was fast. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Squiggly. Whoa, that was really good. That's nice to have a nice shape like that. Oh my God, it's changing so quickly, look. Wow, that was great. Great sprinkling at the end. Those are lovely shapes.
And then you had to wash it and then you would see the final project. It's a really different art to all the others. I think this was one of my favourite arts that I done. My favourite thing that I learned from Claire was that she knows exactly how to do everything and she can easily say to other people how exactly to do it.
So look, you see there, that was that piece of plastic, those triangles there. That's really, you can't see through that at all. Whereas some of the plants there, they're really light and you can sort of see like the light went under them a little bit. I think these are beautiful. Really nice. Well done, guys.
My name is Sinead Dowling. I'm the Creative Island Carlow Coordinator and Arts Officer for Carlow County Council. So Cruinniú is the National Day of Creativity for Young People. And what's been really great about this year is the majority of our programme has come from young people's thoughts, come from young people's inspiration, and we have pop-up poetry around Carlow Town, which has just been a really inspiring project to be involved with. So what was really great was that young people were able to physically be able to go into the gallery spaces here at Visual, be taken around by Claire Breen, introduced to some of the artworks within the exhibition. The whole programme has been really great this year. I suppose the special part of it is it's actually physically being able to be out and for young people interacting with an artist here at Visual. I think what's been really truly inspiring is the fact that the young people are able to express themselves, whether that's been through poetry or here at the workshop today, to be able to have an outlet for their own creativity. Cruinniú is just one day in a calendar of events that Carlow is so vibrant in terms of the artists that live and work in this place. The best thing to do is just follow us on Facebook and then you'll see what's happening next.